What is up, everybody? Good morning, good evening, and good night, because you're probably gonna shut it off after this. So today we are doing axles on the famous Hot Boy delsol. I know you probably how'd I say it? There's so much I gotta catch you guys up on that I haven't posted yet, and it's done. It's on the road and it's ready to go. The only thing is it needs more low. And between doing the axles today, we're trying to go lower on the front, because I know it definitely go lower on the back. So that is our job for today, is try to get as low as possible. It's Skunk 2 Pro Series 2 coilovers don't really go that low on these cars, because they're kind of for racing, I want to say. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna see where we have to take off to go lower, and then by going lower, we're probably gonna have to cut the top hats out to give the camber arms room to expand on the front. But the back is pretty good. We actually already put on the tires. We went 195 45 16s to give it that little stretch. But besides that, after the axles, then we're gonna start sanding down the car and get ready for paint. Oh yeah. So here she is. Let me get the ta-da. Roll the fenders. I'll put the clip in here while I'm doing as we go on. But looking clean. Looking clean. I've actually even got offers to sell the car, but I don't really want to sell it right now. Kinda actually want to go the long haul, convert a stick, throw a nice B16 in it, maybe a GSR. But I don't know if I would want to boost it, because I want to keep the AC. Big boys need AC. So with no further ado, we're going to pull into the garage now, jack it up, start ripping axles. I'll show you guys how to do that, and go from there. Oh, and if you haven't checked out my Instagram, got new seats. Oh yeah, going all out. Big shout out to my boy Andrew for letting me buy these off of him for a very, very good price. They are NRGs and RGs. Had to finagle the brackets to fit, but they fit. It's kind of dark in here. So we're gonna jack up the car, yada yada yada, I already said it, and get to work. So before removing the forks, what you want to do is, what I do is, grab a jack, put it under the rotor just a little bit. This is not the pro. If you want to listen to me, don't listen to me. Put it under the rotor a little bit, lift it up. Once you take the crown bolt off, and you bang the lower control arm with a hammer. So pop the ball joint out of the from the spindle. Then you remove the forks, which makes life a lot easier that way. So then you don't have to. Yeah, it's a mess. Just that's how I do it. Like I said, you don't have to do it, but hey. there's one side out. Literally, you just gotta pop the axle, give it a nice little smacking. I'll try to do it real quick with the camera, but it's kind of hard. So don't fall on me, damn it. There you go. So, tap the axle. Voila. The axle's out. So, I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but this bad boy has seen better days, and this new replacement is right there. So now what we got to do is take the 14 out of here, the 17's down there, and remove the forks, slide it off, get to the axle. Make sure you have a pan underneath. You definitely want a pan underneath because the transmission fluid is probably going to come out. Which at that point, I always try to have, before I rip that out, I already try to have that axle as close as possible to slide it back in, so all the transmission fluid doesn't come out. Because then it's not no fun. So sit y'all right here. Y'all stay clean. The real bad axle is on that side. It is gunk everywhere. So we're gonna button up this side and then jump back on the other side. But we're not putting the forks back on this side because we're trying to go lower. So I told you guys, man, we're gonna go hot boy with this. We're gonna go real low, but still safe. And that's what I think we just did. So if you look over here, we ended up taking the two rings that were left at the bottom, and the cup turned all the way up in the front. Hopefully the back, I know the back could go low, but hopefully it goes lower as I want it to. So as you see, damn, look how far it is away from the fork. So let's bolt this up real quick. So we did the axles, two axles. We took the coil spring thingies out the front, slammed it, basically max, but the springs are still stiff, so it does a decent ride. The back I'm battling because I know it has to settle, but due to curfew, I really can't take it for a long ride. So I don't know, kind of love it. I had to roll the front. Tomorrow I might cut out the camber towers because they're probably going to be hitting real hard due to the fact that the camber arms are probably like half an inch away from the top. So, and even before I lowered it, it was banging. So yeah, so definitely gonna have to do that tomorrow after the test drive. Yeah, lowered the back some. I'm not too happy with the back. I'm battling with it now. I'm just ready to just slam it and call it in because it's beginning to be a nightmare, and it's bothering me because I don't want it to be even with the front because it's gonna look like it's tucking in the back, but then when you drive, the back sags because it pulls, the engine's in the front. So I'm stuck right now. It's either test drive it tomorrow, see how it looks, and lower it more, or leave it like that, or just slam it. I know a lot of people are like, just slam it, but I don't like the sag look. That's not me. But here you go. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and if you lasted the whole video, thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next. I might drop another vlog back to back, don't know yet. Depends how I feel. I don't know. Comment down below, let me know if you guys like daily vlogs or every other day vlogs or once a week vlog. Let me know. Peace out.